Okay, this is an update on the shop power distro build. I got almost everything hooked up. I'm still waiting on a 100 amp breaker for that pin sleeve right there. I tempted into a 20 because I had to weld something really quick. But I got all my devices in the back of the can and also in the bottom of the can. I left these 2 extra holes for the medium-sized twist locks because I think I'm going to need a couple more things. I just don't know what they are. And I also pre-punched a center here for another device or even another 1450. So I have 2 1450s, one for the CNC and one is for the car charger. And then I have a L630, which is a 30 amp 240 volt twist lock, one for the air compressor, one for the shop heater on this cart, and one for the welding table that has the MIG welder and the plasma cutter on it. I also put in a 515 convenience outlet there, and then the L520 20 amp 125 volt twist locks. I have 3 of them in here now, and they run these L520 twist lock dog houses I have. So they're feed through twist lock, and they have 515s in their face, and I can daisy chain them, and I have a lot of 515 extension for them. So the outlets in the bottom turned out really well, and I have those 2 extra holes for the future, and one for the CNC here in the side, and I can also add more in the side if I need to, and I have plenty of space to do that. And also, this is my shop heater on the little swing arm. You can see the devices in the back here. So it's 240 volt 30 amp twist locks, and then 125 volt 20 amp twist locks, and then a convenience outlet, which I'm not currently using. So yeah, that's the power distro. I've got everything operational now, and except for the 100 amp breaker I'm still waiting on. So I'll get that on Thursday and pop this thing together, put the cover on it, and I'll be off and running. This was the Type SC. That's Sam Charlie. Type SC feeder cable. It's only actually 6 gauge, although it seems quite a lot larger than that. And I really happen to be really lucky to have this large cable gland in stock. So I was able to put that in there, and then this runs across the ceiling and hooks up to a NEMA 1450. So the maximum potential right now of the entire shop is still 50 amps, 240 volts, of course. So it's fused at that, even though I have all these big wires in it. None of that actually matters because I only have 50 amps, which is fine though, because I'm only one person and I can only run one machine at a time. And so I think I'll be able to get by with that, but I most certainly won't be welding any 1/2 inch aluminum plates together because that would draw way too much current for this 50 amp setup, as it were. So I hope you like that. I hope it helps. I think this is really going to help me the next time I have to move this setup. I won't be abandoning a whole bunch of conduit and electrical infrastructure at my last facility. So yeah, I hope you like it. Thanks. Bye-bye.